Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can download the CapCut Pro for free. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to open the CapCut Pro website. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to search for the CapCut download. As you can see now, we have to write this sentence. And after writing this, as you can see, you will be able to see the different types of options are provided here. These apps are also provided here. Now you have to choose that which one you want. For example, I'm going to open this one here. So let's click on this. We have to open the professional site of this. As you can see now, here's the button for the download for free. So you have to click on this download for free. I'm going to click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see now, after a few seconds the downloading process will be started and the CapCut will be downloaded, and after that you can download it, and after that you can install it and you can use it. So in this way you can download the CapCut Pro for free. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do that. Now install the CapCut and enjoy it. So see you in the next video.